bus to come up to get him, and he's right there. And there's his little home, and then he goes down and back to his little place. And that's how it works. And that's how it actually works. That's how the birdhouse works. So, the bird starts right here. And then the bird waits for the bus to take him up. Now the bird waits for the other bus to come up and take him. He jumps on and has a ride down. And he's back to his home. He's swimming.
Oh, he liked that. Say that again.
He's swimming. He's swimming. Doesn't know what to do with that. He's like, what is that? Hey, I forgot that. The birdhouse's sign.